Here are the top news stories trending today from NaijaNews TV. Federal government, 21 states to rake in 2.5 trillion naira from VAT. Amid the ongoing controversy surrounding the proposed tax reform bill by the current administration, the federal government and 21 out of 36 states in the federation have projected a combined value-added tax revenue of 2.5 trillion naira for 2025 in their respective budget estimates. These projects exclude additional funds that may accrue from the implementation of the continuous tax reform bills. VAT, a consumption tax on goods and services, is levied at each stage of supply chain where value is added. NaijaNews previously reported that VAT revenue collected under the current administration increased by 549 billion naira within 6 months. The 21 states include Kebbi, Kaduna, Ekiti, Oyo, Osun, Ogun, Enugu, Borno, Ondo, Kano, Katsina, Ebonyi, Gombe, Anambra, Abia, Niger, Jigawa, Bauchi, Akwa Ibom, Adamawa and Delta. Budget documents for the remaining 14 states and the Federal Capital Territory were unavailable. In a new development, Nigeria's military personnel are now expressly prohibited from engaging in homosexuality, lesbianism, bestiality, cross-dressing, and other acts deemed contrary to the ethics of the armed forces. The personnel were equally barred from body piercing, tattooing, disorderly behavior, and drunkenness on or off duty. This directive is contained in Section 26 of the revised Harmonious Armed Forces Terms and Conditions of Service, signed by President Bola Tinubu on December 16, 2024. A copy of document obtained on Saturday partly read, "An officer must not engage in homosexuality, lesbianism, and bestiality. The condition of service also forbids the involvement of officers in an amorous relationship with subordinates or their spouses." In the meantime, Omoyele Sowore, the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC), has said the 2023 general elections that produced President Bola Tinubu as president did not reflect the will of the Nigerian people. It disclosed this while appearing on an interview hosted by VOP TV on YouTube. Sowore, a longtime advocate for justice, was reacting to the alleged threat made by the ruling All Progressive Congress Publicity Secretary Felix Morka to former Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi. Obi had criticized the worsening political, economic, security, and healthcare conditions, describing Tinubu's government claims of progress as inconsistent with the realities on ground. Recall the NaijaNews TV reported Morka doing an interview saying Peter Obi has crossed the line so many times and has it coming to him whatever he gets. Sowore affirmed that Tinubu wasn't elected as president but selected by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). From the world of entertainment, Nigerian actor and comedian Chibuna Stanley, famously known as Funny Bone, has opened up about his love for football and his journey from aspiring footballer to celebrated entertainer. In a recent interview, the comic star shared insight into his little-known passion for sports. "I've always been a football lover," he revealed. "I wanted to play professionally, but when that didn't work out, I pursued my calling in comedy instead." The actor Funnyboy grew in Kaduna and Jos, areas renowned for their football culture, surrounded by stars like Tijani Babangida, Garba Lawal, and Daniel Amokachi. "I was inspired to take a shot at sport. I attended trials for the Under-17 team when Godwin Izenile coached players like Edison Echijile and Sunday Mba. I played as a left back much like Ben Iroha," he said. Although he didn't make it professionally, Funnybone cherishes those memories, recalling his determination on the field. "I was very physical during matches, but off the field, I was the funny guy," he added. In the same vein, Nigerian actress Regina Danel is once again a hot topic on social media after posting a new videos about her body. The young wife of a billionaire politician recently took to TikTok to share clips of herself in a snug romper with thin straps. In one video, Regina expressed her admiration for herself using audio that talked about looking good even after having kids. The speaker said, "Women that have given birth and are still pretty, please come forward, watch your secret," and boom, Regina Danel showed Nigerians what she got. We'll continue to supply you fresh news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.